For commercial banks and other financial institutions that are going to be using this system, is it something that you are going to use to download in your computer, or a system that you can use in your telephone? How does it work exactly? I may wanted to use that system as a commercial bank. How does it work? Something that needs to be created and all of us log in?
Thank you. Very technical question, but I will explain it in a very simple text. It's an application. It's an application interface that's downloaded on your computer, unless you are authorized. If you are not authorized, you'll not be able to access it, and it is really secure. There's what is called electronic token. It is like a flight disk, where you have to be registered by our IT security engineers. They have to register you with your name, and then you will be assigned that token where you can access our application on a PC, on a single computer. Once you remove that disk, nobody else will access it unless or otherwise you have been assigned to really do that.
Talk about this upcoming event. Who are going to attend this event, and when is the time? What is going to be discussed in that particular day?
We have so many stakeholders to be involved in that. First, I will start with the high-level stakeholders that are supposed to attend this event, this very important event. Number one is our government institutions. That is, we start from the presidency. Of course, this is a national project, and indeed it's supposed to be attended by the president and appreciated by him. Unless or otherwise, he has to delegate to the next person. Another very strong key stakeholders is Minister of Finance, who has also been from the fiscal policy side. They are going to be part of this launch. Another very important ministry is Ministry of Trade because of regional payment. Given the fact that our economy depends on imports, and we need to send like cross-border payment to other countries. So Ministry of Trade is very important during our launch. And then another very important institution is the Communication Authority because of the technology. They will also be part of the launch. Internally, we also have all the commercial bank, all the CEOs of the commercial bank are also key to the launch of the SIPs because they are part of this. They are direct participant to the South Sudan Interbank Payment and Settlement System. Another very important key stakeholders is of course, the MNOs, mobile money operators, the DigiCash, Momo, Mgrouj. They're also part of this process. Another very important stakeholder that will attend this launch is the Bank of South Sudan, of course, who will host all other stakeholders. But now let me go regionally. Ideally, the Bank of South Sudan will be inviting different stakeholders from the partner states, like the governors, and I could recall governors will invite His Excellency, the Governor Bank of Uganda, who has been supporting Bank of South Sudan for so many years, so he's going to be part of the launch. Not forgetting our very strong key stakeholders and partner who has been really funding this project, the African Development Bank, will also be part of the launch of the SIPs. Then the EAC, who have been tirelessly working with us to make sure that this project is delivered in time. They're also going to be part of the launch. And then the consultant who developed the system himself will be part of this launch, as well as the vendor will be present during the launch.
So what can you send as your message to the public?
I will divide my message into two, to the financial sector as well as to the public. To the financial sector, SIP represents a transformative opportunity for South Sudan banking industry. This infrastructure will enable you to serve customers more conveniently. It will reduce operational risk, like I said before, and participate in the digital economy. We encourage all financial institutions to prepare, thoroughly integrate, invest in training and staff. All financial institutions to prepare their technology as a competitive advantage. The central bank is committed to supporting your transition and ensuring system success and access all the time. And to the public, SIPs will bring significant improvement to your daily financial transaction, whether you are receiving salaries, payments, paying bills, or conducting businesses. This system will make payment faster, safe and more reliable. Your money will move securely through the banking system with full transparency and immediate confirmation. Once you send your transaction, this infrastructure positions South Sudan among modern economies and will facilitate financial service for all the citizens of South Sudan. This is the first time South Sudan is implementing such a huge infrastructure that has not been there before. And out of 98% of the whole world that have implemented the real-time gross settlement, the RTGS in the world, we are among the 2% that have not implemented the RTGS. So this is going to be a big success story where we will change the face of the world and move from 2% to be among the 99% of the entire world economy that have changed the face of the digital era.